Add pump oil. Connect a vacuum pump hose. Connect the hose to power. Connect vacuum pump power. Turn on the power switch. Enter the operation homepage. Enter the password. Open the cabin door. Put the sample into the tray. Make sure the temperature probe is touching the sample. Select the manual freeze drying mode. Set the plate temperature for pre-freezing. Click refrigeration. Close the cabin door. Wait till the pre-freezing process finished. When pre-freezing process completed, ensure drain valve is closed. After the pre-freezing is completed, turn on the vacuum meter and turn on the vacuum pump. Turn on the heating switch. Set the temperature. Wait for the drying to complete. Operate the lowering action of the plate layer to seal the vial freeze-dried samples. Turn off the vacuum pump. Stop heating. Turn off the vacuum gauge. Turn off the refrigerator. Open the air valve slowly. Open the cabin door and take out the samples. Click defrost when it has finished. Turn off the power. Enter the interface. Set up the plate temperature of each section. Set up vacuum degree of each section. Set up freeze drying time for each section. Create an automatic freeze drying formula program. Finally, enter a program number in the program to be used as a marker. Click Download button. Back to homepage. Click Automatic. Click to start. When vacuum freeze drying is complete, click Stop. Open the air valve slowly.